Hello guys, today we'll see IUPAC nomenclature, a few examples. So first one is HCOO-COCH3. So we can simply write this HC double bond O COCH3. So it is like anhydride, which is derivative of acid, RC double bond O CO R dash. So we name from the bigger thing, that is acetyl. So two carbons, therefore acetyl. COCH3 is acetyl, and this one aldehydic part is formyl. So formic we will write. So name will be acetyl formic anhydride. So this is the type of anhydride, and name will be acetyl formic anhydride. So you have to spread the structures, so you can say that it is an anhydride. Then second, so numbering is done. 5 carbons are there. In 5th carbon there is methoxy group, therefore 5 methoxy, and double bond is in between 2nd and 3rd carbon, so less number is preferred, therefore 2 pentene. So 5 methoxy 2 pentene, or we can say 5 methoxy pentoene, both are correct. Then third one, so it is ether. Major functional group is ether. Ether is RO R dash, and smaller ring is smaller chain is this, and in that chain 2nd carbon has bromine group, so 2 bromo ethoxy, smaller chain is written first, so alkoxy, so 2 bromo ethoxy because there are 2 carbons, and here 4 carbons, 1 2 3 4. Numbering is done neighboring to the oxygen. Okay, so 2 bromo ethoxy butane. Then next one, here there are 3 groups. One is aldehydic, second is alkyne, and third one is chlorine. So major functional group among them is aldehydic. So numbering will start from aldehydic carbon. So 1 2 3 4. So 2 chloro, then triple bond is in between 3rd and 4th carbon, so 3 ine, and aldehydic group is on 1st carbon, so 1 al. So 2 chloro but 3 ine 1 al. Then next one, in book it is written wrong, so this carbon is wrong. Carbon makes 4 bonds, but this carbon does not make 4 bonds. So in book they have given wrong structure. Actual structure is this. Okay, no carbon is there, so it is only methoxy. And now we can number, so it is like ketone, so cyclohexanes 1st, 2nd and 3rd, so 3 methoxy cyclohexyl, then this methyl ketone, so 3 methoxy in cyclohexane, cyclohexyl methyl ketone. Then next one, so numbering is done from this acid because there is also double bond present, and we should complete first double bond. We can't number second here. Okay, this will be wrong. Okay, acid comes on 3rd position, but this will be wrong because we have to cover the double bond. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So name will be 1 cyclohexane because double bond is in between 1st and 2nd carbon, and highest priority group is carboxylic acid. So 1 cyclohexane is written first, and then carboxylic acid as first is at 1st and 5th position, so 1,5-dicarboxylic acid. So name will be 1 cyclohexane 1,5-dicarboxylic acid. Next one is ethyl acetoacetate. So again, like first example, we have to simplify the structure. So this one is the type of ester. C2H5 is ethyl part. This COCH3 we have seen in first example. Okay, in that that was anhydride. This one is ester, so it is aceto, and there are 2 carbon in between, so acetate. If you see general structure, it is like RCO OR dash, so it is a ester. Okay, and this part, okay, only this is ethyl acetate, 2 carbon, so ethyl, and this 2 carbon is for acetate. So this is CH3, so one hydrogen is replaced by COCH3 here. So that is the difference, one hydrogen is replaced by COCH3. So that is aceto part. So ethyl, then aceto, and then acetate. Okay, this one is only ethyl acetate. Here aceto part is added, therefore ethyl aceto acetate. It is an ester. Next one is simple. Carboxylic acid is main functional group. Numbering will be start from there only. So 1, 2, 3. So second carbon have hydroxy as substituent. So it is not alcohol because it is not the major functional group. Acid is the major functional group according to the table. Then so name will be 2 hydroxy 2 methyl. So hydroxy H comes first in alphabetical order. So 2 hydroxy 2 methyl propanoic acid. Then next will be an ester. So numbering is done. So this one is C2H5, so ethyl. Then numbering is done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fourth carbon have methyl groups. So ethyl 4 methyl, and second carbon have double bond. Double bond is in between second and third carbon. So 2 butene, and O8 is for ester. 4 carbons. Okay, sorry, there are actually 5 carbons, so it should be pentenoate. Pentenoate. Okay, now it is correct. So ethyl 4 methyl, then 2 between 2 and 3 there is double bond, so 2, and 5 carbons are there, therefore pentene O8. So this is the correct name. And now let's see, draw the structure of the following compounds. So first one is 3-phenyl propanoyl chloride. So propanoyl chloride is COCl, derivative of carboxylic acid. So propane contains 3 carbons, so just first draw 3 carbons. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Last carbon draw COCl, and third carbon draw the phenyl group. Okay, this is numbering 1, 2, 3. So third carbon has phenyl groups, and carbon makes 4 bonds, so remaining bonds are satisfied by hydrogens. Okay, so numbering is done from major functional group, that is acetyl chloride. Here it is propanyl chloride. Next one. So again spread this structure, so it will be easier. So main functional group is nitro. Numbering is done from here 1, 2, 3. So first carbon have ethyl group, so 1 ethyl, and nitro group is also in first carbon, so 1 ethyl 1 nitro propane. Okay, just we have to simplify this structure, so we can easily name this. Next one is this one. So ether, one is cyclic, one is acyclic. So cyclopentoxy, cyclic is written first, cyclopentoxy, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cyclopentoxy pentane, name will be cyclopentoxy pentane. It is an ether. Next there is aldehyde group, there is alkene, and there is also ether. So major functional group is aldehyde according to the table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth carbon has ethoxy, so 5 ethoxy, then double bond. Double bond is at second carbon, so it is in between second and third carbon, so 2. So pen 2 in, and first carbon is aldehydic, so 1 ul. So 5 ethoxy, pen 2 in, 1 ul. After that this thing, So 1 2 3, so 3 amino major functional group. In between these is alcohol. In between double bond alcohol, again alcohol is the major functional group. So amino is the substituent. So 1 2 3, amino should come first because here this group is also there. Therefore double bond we can name it, we can number it last. So 3 amino, 2 methyl. So second carbon is this. Okay, so its second number is methyl. Okay, so second carbon, first methyl. So 2 1 methyl butyl for 1 2 3 4. So butyl. Then 5 cyclohexene, it is in between 5 and 6, 1 all. So name will be 3 amino, 2 in bracket 1 methyl butyl, 5 cyclohexene, 1 all. Then next one. So again we have to simplify this structure. So after simplification, okay, how to simplify? Just draw first carbons and satisfy carbon's valency, which is 4. Carbon makes 4 bonds. So after simplifying we'll get this. So major functional group is ketone. Alcohol is in lower priority than ketone in the table. So 3 4 dihydroxy, 2 and 4 carbons are involved. So butanone. So 3, 4 dihydroxy, 4 butanone. Next one. So aldehydic group is major functional group. So 1 2 3. So 3 ethoxy prop, 2 in because double bond is in between second and third, and 1 ul. So 3 ethoxy prop 2 in, 1 ul. Next one is this. So again we have to spread. There are 2 ether group. So ethoxy because alphabetically E is higher, then methoxy, and then we will write propane for 3 carbons. So ethoxy, methoxy, propane. So there are 2 ether groups, therefore it is like that. Then this is amine. We can spread this. So it is secondary amine because NH is there. So N methyl, lower group is written first. So N methyl, then 1 phenyl. So first carbon has phenyl and there are 2 carbons, so ethane amine. So so N methyl, 1 phenyl ethanamine. N methyl, 1 phenyl ethanamine. Then next is amide, and it is tertiary. So NN. This is acetyl group. So 2 is there, therefore diacetyl. So NN diacetamide, NN diacetyl, and 2 carbons. So ethane amide. NN diacetyl ethane amide. So it is amide derivative of acid. Acid has 4 derivative. Acid has 4 derivative: ester, amide, anhydride, and acid chloride. And last example is this. So again this middle carbon is 1 carbon, so methane, and these 2 whole groups, okay, these 2 whole groups are dimethoxy cyclohexyl. So this is methoxy group. So 2 methoxy groups are there, therefore dimethoxy, and these 2 cyclohexyl groups, so dimethoxy cyclohexyl, and then middle carbon. So 1 carbon is at the middle, so methane. So dimethoxy cyclohexyl methane. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video.